We're going to move on to sentence patterns, and the first, all this means is that there are certain patterns that you can find within sentences, and most sentences fall within one of these patterns. And the first one that we're going to look at is a subject-verb pattern. Now, the subject-verb pattern will be very simple because each and every one of you knows what a subject and a verb is. So this basic pattern consists of a subject and a verb. Now, that doesn't mean that's the only thing within the sentence, but in order to be a sentence, there must be a subject and a verb. And here are the steps to follow in order to find the verb, which is called the predicate, and the subject. To find the verb, you need to ask yourself what happens. We're going to look at the sentence I gave you at the very top that says Fido barks. So we ask ourselves what happens. Well, barks. That's what happens. And then you need to find the word that shows the action or the being. So you ask yourself, well, who does this action? Fido is the one who does this action. So this sentence follows the basic subject-verb sentence pattern. Here are three more examples. The first one is Anthony left early. We ask ourselves what was the action, and then we ask ourselves who or what was doing the action. So the action is left. The who or the what is Anthony. The second sentence has many more words than the other sentences, but you still ask yourself the same questions in order to find the subject and the verb. You ask yourself who or what is doing something. So the something they're doing is leaked, and who or what is leaking? The plumbing. And the third one, the noisy frog in the pond croaked into the night. The action is croaked, and you ask yourself who or what was doing the act, who is croaking, and the frog. So frog and croaked are your simple subject and your verb. For directions, all you have to do is write the simple subject and the verb that is found in each sentence.